Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab and we're going to explore SQL Injection Flaws. So you are the cybersecurity analyst for a small corporate network, and let's go ahead and start up right away. Alright, we're inside the lab. We want to go to Chrome and copy these, paste it in here. And for this, we're going to copy this account number, or I will just type it in 90.6.3.9. Go ahead and look it up. Okay, so this is the account balance. So we'll go ahead and answer the first question. What is your account balance? That is going to be 10,625.79. Alright, so this is done. We'll go ahead and minimize this, and we'll go over to the second task. Here we're going to look up the following numbers. Take note of the result of each search. Alright, so we'll go ahead, let's highlight and delete this and type in 1. Let's look it up. This, you have not entered a valid number. Let's try 1, 2. Let's try 1, 2, 3, and it's still the same thing. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's still the same thing. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's still the same thing. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No entry found for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and answer question 2. How many digits are required to be considered a valid account? That is going to be 5 or more. Okay, so let's continue the next task. Try your account number followed by additional information. Alright, so we'll copy this and paste it in here. We'll look it up, and this is what we have. Good day, Olivia Martinez. And let's try it with a DOG. Still the same thing. Let's try it with a CAT. Nope, let's put that space in the middle, and it's still the same thing. Okay, so at this point I think we will go ahead and answer the next question. What can you determine from this input? Okay, so for this, the input is not restricted beyond the 5 digits. So we'll go ahead and check this. So go ahead and minimize this, and we'll go over to the next task. Okay, try SQL injection attack using the following account. So let's copy this, and I'm going to paste this in here. Let's see, paste this in here, and let's look this up and see what we have. What is the account number of Ocean Padilla? So the account number of Ocean Padilla is going to be 90006, and that is the account number. So let's go ahead and do the next task. So we'll go ahead and impute this here, any 5 digits, and who am I? So here we're going to impute any 5 digits of our choice. So when we look it up, this is what we get. No entry, www-user. So this is going to be the web server. So we'll go ahead and type this in, or you can also copy this and paste in here. Okay, so I think that is the last task and the last answer. So go ahead and scroll up and see how we do, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're having any challenges with any of your IT courses and you are not sure you'll come out with an A, just reach out to me through WhatsApp and I will make sure you end this particular course with an A. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.